अतिथि देवो भव कहती है ये भारत की धरा, स्वागत करके आपका निभा रहे हैं ये परंपरा। विद्यालय के प्रबंधक संचालक श्री ऋषि गुप्ता जी, विद्यालय की प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती टी श्रीवास्तव जी, विद्यालय की प्रबंधक समिति की सदस्य श्रीमती नेहा गुप्ता जी, बहुत ही खास श्रीमती रूपमा गुप्ता जी, वित्तीय संगठन के अध्यक्ष श्रीमान बीबी गोयल जी, प्रधानाध्यापिका श्रीमान शरद वडेरा जी, प्रधानाध्यापिका श्रीमती पंकज चमन जी, मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर समुख द्योधर और मुख्य अतिथि हमारे डॉक्टर विनीता मनचंदा जी, श्रीमती हिमांशी मारवा जी, हमारे विद्यालय के समस्त शिक्षकों को एवं सभी साथियों को मां सरस्वती के इस प्रांगण में तहे दिल से वंदन, अभिनंदन एवं स्वागत करते हैं।
On our respected CEO sir on the stage, please. Archana ma'am, if you could escort sir on the stage. And I would invite our respected principal ma'am to please felicitate and honor CEO sir with a floral bouquet. Thank you so much sir for taking out time and being here with us. It's an honor working under your guidance. Can we have a round of applause for welcoming sir?
हमारी मुख्य अतिथि श्रीमती हिमांशी मारवा जी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन।
I would now request Mr. Sharad Vadera sir to also honor our respected principal G. Srivastava ma'am. I really want all of the parents to recognize that she is the woman under whom the entire fraternity has been successfully working. She is the star of this event and we would really like to thank you ma'am for putting up this idea and letting us all believe that we can do this.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm humbled.
Very charming, very beautiful Neha ma'am by offering her a lovely bouquet. We also have Rupma Gupta ji with us. I would also like to call her up on the stage ma'am. Rupma ma'am has been a part of the school and she is also one of the ex-fraternity of Team RGS. Ma'am, we are so honored to have you today with us. Thank you so much, ma'am. I would also call upon Anurit ma'am to please felicitate our and honor Mr. B.B. Goel sir with a floral bouquet. Sir, we would request you to please come up on the stage. And everyone, please, the thunder should not be stopping today. It is what we are here for. These are the people who have inspired us for making this event such a success. Thank you so much, sir. I would now like to take the honor of inviting our Honorable Principal Ma'am up to the stage and address the audience and usher her words of wisdom over the little wonder kids that we have here with us today and their proud parents.
A very good afternoon to all our guests. I welcome our chief guest, our CEO sir, Mr. G. Neha, a very special guest, Rupma ji, Goel ji, and honorable judges. I really get scared when the judges are there because we are under the scrutiny. I joined this organization around 9 months back with experience of working with DPS for more than a decade. I have been a CBSE resource person and I've been trained at IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Calcutta. Taking over the school was a great challenge, but I enjoyed every bit of it. Right from coffee session, I think lots of parents are laughing. There was always a complaint that principal is not accessible. I said, you'll eat your words back because you'll see me so much that you'll get fed up. starting with coffee sessions to khichdi. And I enjoy the concept that we have been working together, and each and every function has been a great success. When the entire town was sleeping, Richmond Global School was awake. Right from the peak period of pandemic till today, we never let the pandemic stop us. Let us give a huge round of clap for the teachers and for the staff who have made it successful. We were not daunted. We understood what is pandemic, what is corona, what is COVID. By grace of God, we are all safe. We put the mask, we sanitized, we did everything. I think the coffee session in the air-conditioned room went off so well because I believe in the power of Almighty. There is a power on top which sees us together. The Healthy Baby Show is a concept which I have been doing it in DPS. It means catching them young. If I could, I would tell the pregnant mother to register first. Because I would like to tell stories to that mother so that she can tell that stories to that newborn baby, how to be happy and how to be successful. Healthy Baby Show is a grand concept of taking them young, nurturing them, giving them a holistic learning and making them understand that life is happy and beautiful. We do not use the word school because the word school creates fear. We want to make them understand this is a school which has got different learnings. It is through worksheets, through concepts, through activities. Even when a parent comes and says, "Farrate se English sikha dena," I say, "Wo farrate se English apne aap aayega," because we have designed activities in such a manner that automatically the child starts speaking English without becoming aware. So parents, be with us, enjoy the activities today very well, and I think a huge round of clap for the students who have come to participate and the parents who have allowed them to come in the school. All the schools are sleeping, but Richmond Global School is awake and fully aware of all our duties. Thank you so much. Have a great day, enjoy and see the function. Thank you so much. We are releasing the new edition of our newsletter. The name is Arohan. Arohan means charte jana, charte jana, charte jana. Jeet hamari. May I request our CEO, Rishabh sir, Neha, Rukma to be there on the stage and do the needful. Goel sir, please join us. The new newsletter, we have done it in a hurry, bear with us, but I wanted to express our journey to you all in a nutshell.
विद्यालय की प्रगति के पथ पर बढ़ेगा देखना, दिन प्रतिदिन और भी बेहतर बनेगा देखना, जो बड़ा उत्साह से आशा लिए लक्ष्य उसी को ही मिलेगा देखना। हम आशा करते हैं कि जिस प्रकार से आरोहण समाचार पत्रिका का शुभारंभ हुआ है, उसी प्रकार हमारा विद्यालय भी, हमारे विद्यालय के सभी विद्यार्थी भी प्रगति के पथ पर अग्रसर होते रहे। ख्वाबों की कश्ती को बहने दो, नए उन्माद मन में भरने दो, अवसाद को अब अवकाश दो, प्रगति के पथ पर बढ़ने दो।
Please clap for the first edition of the newsletter.
Let's all take the pleasure of applauding for the first edition of Arohan, released by Team RGS. We are really honored that this event has seen such success that we can actually release a newsletter of our own for the school. I would request all of the parents to see the efforts behind that, and one more round of thunderous applause for all of these members who have been working so hard for this. That showcase freedom and growth.
Judges will also.
Judges, I request the judges also please.
Yes, please.
We only believe that we can let our hopes fly and not be able to be caught. You know, who doesn't like to fly?
Yes, yes.
आपकी तालियों में भी थोड़ा जोर होना चाहिए।
Please give a big round of applause to these wonder kids. They are all of 4 years and at such a young age. Just see the confidence in their performance. They have been trained so well by our dedicated team members and they have performed beautifully. So I again would like all of you to give a big round of applause to the little ones, all of 4 years of age and performing confidently.
हमने गीत सुनाए, हमने रंग सजाए, हमने रूप दिखाए तुम्हें, हमने दुनिया के वासी, हमको नहीं फिक्र जरासी, हमने नई बात बताए तुम्हें, हमने गीत सुनाए, हमने रंग सजाए, हमने रूप दिखाए तुम्हें, हमने दुनिया के वासी, हमको नहीं फिक्र जरासी, हमने नई बात बताए तुम्हें, लहरा के बल खाके और झूम के हम गाए जो दिलों की बात है, हम गाए जो सभी की बात है, हम गाए गीत में ऐसे हम सुनाने जिनकी धुनें ही नहीं हो, सारी बातें हम बताने जो सबके दिल में है पर अब तक है अनकही। yeah. In a winter place, and yeah, yeah. Oh, we can do this again. Let's feel better for you, baby. Yeah,
रंग बिरंगी पोशाकें पहने इठलाना हमें दिखा गए, डांस किसे कहते हैं बच्चों ने आज दिखला दिया। दुआ जरा खुलकर देना इन प्यारे नन्हे बच्चों को, ऐसे प्यारे बच्चे ईश्वर देता किस्मत वालों को।
Can we have a round of applause for all the lovely students of classes 2 to 5 who performed for us today? Each day of our lives, we make deposits in the memory banks of our children. I hope as parents we all agree to that. That's true that our children copy our actions. Aristotle had mentioned, and we ardently stand by the concept of repeating and imitating to learn. Our little wonders are sprouts of our dashing parents who are here with us today and who have instilled their love, their potential skills and their worth in their little ones. That we have been oozed with over 200 entries for the virtual Healthy Baby Show. I would really like all of you to thank for that we have actually crossed over 200 entries and even now we are getting queries for the same. So let us start. Judges, he is the third participant, Ocean. Judges, this is the first entry, Shania. The first entry for the best dress category, Shania. She was a little upset, but now I can see she's enjoying the music with us. Shania is here with us for the best dressed baby category.
Hello everyone, I want to reveal that my baby is really a genius child and I would say that she can read everything in English. She knows ABCD when she was just 1 year old and now she can read in every word, every letter, every single line in English and she can play piano. She also knows tables well. She can do simple addition and subtraction calculations. And she can play piano. She can play many poems in piano. And she is really genius. She knows tables and numbers in many languages like Italian, German, Japanese, and Arabic. So I wonder that she is really genius and she is very intelligent and her learning power is really great. Thank you so much.
That's really nice. We would like to have her on our school. Of course, the primary teachers are listening. Yes? Evangeline, say hello to all the teachers here. Say hello to everyone. So we are really graced and honored to have such participants who are at such a young age. They are skilled and very much talented. And thank you, mamas, for encouraging them to be a part of this event. Thank you so much. We have Deeksha Arora with us. Judges, we have Kartikeya Chhabra with us.
Hello everyone, good morning everyone. I'm here with my baby. I just would like to let you know why he chose this dress. Tell me, I'm Mahima Chhabra, he is Kartikeya Chhabra. And you are? I am a ladybug. So, he is a ladybug. Why we chose this whole attire? As we all know that ladybug has a very strong smell and tends to eat the insects which are known, to destroy the plants and the crops. And until unless we don't have strong, pure plants and crops, we will not get the good vegetables and we will not get the good health, of course. So it completely complements the whole attire. It has a very deep-rooted meaning. It completely complements with the name of the show, this Healthy Baby Show. Thank you so much. It's a wonderful show.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And yet, of course, that is actually a very creative blend of mind that the parent has brought up. How ladybugs are beneficial for our crop-ease, and of course, that is a metaphor to the child's growth as well. Can we have a round of applause for the little ones? Everyone. They are waiting for a long time now, and of course, we all sir has in store for us.
Dear parents, Richmond is fully equipped with a pre-primary wing. So there is a proper pre-primary room and the instructor is there. She will give you all the guidance. So the interested parents can visit the pre-primary room on the ground floor, and Lavisha ma'am, you can accompany the interested parents. Jaswinder ma'am is there in the pre-primary, and please make the parents who are interested. And after you have any query, you can meet the pre-primary coordinator, Ms. Dipali, or principal ma'am. Thank you so much. The pre-primary wing of Richmond is fully functional with all the latest facilities. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. That is really a great news, another achievement and a feather to our hat. Let's move on to the next category that we have with us. I would invite all the participants of the category of Sunniest Smile. Judges, we have a little addition to the first category.
Right next to you. Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, right next to you. Hey, I got you, brother. Found me. Now
So
I'll
this is the participant for the Sunniest Smile category, which is Gauhar Chabra. Sunniest Smile, this is a new category that we are starting. The third category that we have enrolled for us, Gauhar Chabra. Sunniest Smile. Let's see the smiling faces and the
through with this category. We are moving on to the next, which is the most innovative look. So very interesting category carved out for the little ones, and of course we want to see a little effort from the parents also. So let's move on to the next category called most innovative look. The name is Divyan Bagga. The first entry that we have for this category, Divyan Bagga. Just say hello to him. He's just woken up from a very good dream.
Very beautifully dressed up, Vidhan.
Judges, let me again tell you, this one is for most innovative look, and yet we see the creativity of the parents. Such beautifully carved out dresses for the little ones.
Therefore, Vidhan can.
Let's have a round of applause for the little one who's been dressed up and patiently coming to run walk for us. Now we will be starting the next round for most active baby. Let's see who has been running around troubling their mothers a little, which is fine since that's the age that we have. Let's go on to the next category of most active baby. Divyanshi girl. Most active baby, and just see how pretty she looks.
Very beautiful. Divyanshi girl. Clap for Divyanshi girl.
And Divyanshi is perfectly dressed for the occasion, for the dream dance that we have celebrated RGS.
परियों के देसी आई नन्ही मुन्नी दिव्यांशी परी के लिए जोरदार तालियां। More innovative babies with us. The most photogenic Rupen Singh Sahani with us.
Judges, I would like to take you back to the first category, the most photogenic baby. We have one more entry. The first category that we have, most photogenic baby.
Rupen Singh Sahni with us. The most photogenic baby.
Judges, we have one more addition to the most active baby category. We have one more addition to the most active baby category. I want to take him home.
A big clap for everyone.
Next up in most active baby, we have
so that I can collect my baby.
Jivisha Kaur and Jivitesh Singh. They are both siblings, and just see how cute they look together. Jivisha and Jivitesh. Audience, can we have a quick round of applause for all of these young ones? They are showing that they know where the nose is, they know where the tongue is. Judges, they are enrolled for most active baby category. Judges, they want to recite a poem for us. Let's give them a chance.
The most active baby. Next is Viral Dhanuka with us. Viral Dhanuka.
So after Jivisha and Jivitesh, we have Viraj with us for the category of most active baby.
The next most active baby is Bhavyan. We have Bhavyan with us. The most active baby.
Judges, we'd like to move on to the next category, most screen-friendly baby. So, most screen-friendly baby, we have Tejas Singh Sandhu.
Very cute Tejas with us. Clap for Tejas.
We have Magic in Me category with us. And the participant's name is Riddhi Chopra. Riddhi Chopra is dressed up as a fairy, a very magical fairy from the dreamland that perfectly matches our theme today. Let's hear out for the little lovely fairy with us, Riddhi Chopra, for the category Magic in Me. Judges, the first entry in the Mom and Me 12 to 24 months age group is Shreyansh Dhingra. Can we have a big round of applause for the baby? Just see how little panda he looks. Shreyansh Dhingra. The next participant in this group is Tajveer Singh. Tajveer Singh, can we have you on stage? For the Mom and Me category. Next, in this category, we have Devyanshi Garg. Devyanshi Garg with us. Vanya Sharma with us for Mom and Me category under the age group of 12 to 24 months. Vanya Sharma. Tejas Singh Sandhu. So here is Tejas Singh Sandhu for us. Let's have a round of applause for this little one. We are moving on to the next category, which is the same mom and me category in the age group of 25 to 36 months. Mom and me, we have the next age group category, which is 24 to 36 months. And the first two participants are Jivisha and Jivitesh again. Let's have the cuties on the stage.
Divisha and
Jivitesh. We would really like to appreciate the parents who have actually taken an effort to participate in so many categories. We are really lucky to have you here with us. Judges, next we have Ashley Jain. In the 24 to 36 months category, Ashley Jain. David Jain for the mom and me category in the age group of 25 to 36 months. David Jain. Also, I would like to again remind all the parents, please don't leave without collecting the token of appreciation from the counters behind us here today. It is all for your hard work that the child has outshined today here. Now the mom and me category is Shant with us.
Ishan.
Now let's call upon Bhavyansh on the stage with his mom. Little Bhavyansh on the stage with us for the mom and me category 24 to 36 months age group. Bhavyansh. Next on stage we have Gohar Chhabra with us. Gohar Chhabra. And just let's appreciate how lovely she looks. A round of applause for the parents and the child. This is Gohar Chhabra for the mom and me category at the age of 25 to 36 months. Judges, we are through with this category as well, but we have a little addition in the previous category of 12 to 24 months. In the 12 to 24 months, we have one more entry, Ruban Singh Sahani. Ruban Singh Sahani, the mom and me, 12 to 24 months category. And with that, we close our entry for the contest of all the categories.
सच में इतनी शानदार परफॉर्मेंस देखने के बाद मुझे तो बस एक ही बात बार बार दिल में आ रही है कि वे खुद ही नाप लेते हैं बुलंदी आसमानों की, वे खुद ही नाप लेते हैं बुलंदी आसमानों की, परिंदों को नहीं तालीम दी जाती उड़ानों की। महकना और महकाना तो काम है खुशबू का, खुशबू नहीं मोहताज होती कद्रदानों की।
So see, he has successfully chosen the red balloon. No, okay. Yellow color, where are you? Yellow color, very good. Pink color, where are you? Pink color, here I am. Black color, where are you? Orange color, where are you? Yay! White color, clapping to one player. Blue color, yay! Green color, yay! That's just so lovely, and we can see the efforts of the parents behind this. That's your nose, baby. Mama, that's your Please clap, even the baby wants a clapping from us all. That's your nose. Okay, clap. That's your nose. Okay. Blink your eye. Okay, make a pout. अच्छा, मम्मा का मुँह कैसा है, baby? बता दो, मम्मा का मुँह कैसा है? Thank you so much, Dishan. That was a participant in the category of Miss and Master Richmond.
A very nice division. Yeah, very nice division. A big clap for division.
Thank you so much for the showstopper baby category. We have Jivitesh and Jivisha. And now is the time that we have been waiting for. I would like to invite Ms. Pankaj Chaman ma'am with us here for announcing the results.
पुरस्कार सभी को खुशी देते हैं, सम्मान और चमक से सारोबार होकर हर किसी को सुकून मिलता है। नीला आसमान में धुंध चढ़ने वाली है, खुशनुमा आलम है, फिजा बहकने वाली है। कुछ फरिश्ते कुछ परियों को सौगातें अब चंद पलों में बटने वाली हैं।
I would like to call upon our esteemed judges on the stage, and Neha ma'am and Principal ma'am, please come here and encourage the students who have actually worked so hard for this entire event, and this is the time to reward them for that. I now hand over the mic to Mr. Pankaj Chaman ma'am.
First category is most photogenic baby. First position is Miss Vanya Sharma. Vanya Sharma. Most photogenic baby. Vanya Sharma. Is she here? Vanya Sharma. First position. Second position, Riyanshi Bhagat. Riyanshi Bhagat, most photogenic baby. Riyanshi Bhagat. Give her a huge round of applause. Yes, here comes the most photogenic baby, Riyanshi Bhagat. Okay, but we have Vanya Sharma here. First position, Vanya Sharma, the most photogenic baby. Give her a huge round of applause. Parents, please give her a huge round of applause. Second position, Riyanshi Bhagat. Riyanshi Bhagat. A huge round of applause for Riyanshi Bhagat. Second position in most photogenic baby. Third position, Kartikeya Chhabra. Most photogenic baby, Kartikeya Chhabra. Yes, very good. Come on, a huge round of applause. Yay! Very good, Kartikeya. Most photogenic baby, Kartikeya Chhabra. Very good. Next category, best dressed baby. The first position goes to Girisha Arora. Girisha Arora, yes, she's young, little one. Very good. A huge round of applause. Yes. Girisha Arora. Girisha. Well dressed baby. Best dressed baby. Very good. Yes. Girisha Arora. First position in best dressed baby. Second position, Mishika Mittal. Best dressed baby, Mishika Mittal. Mishika. Third position, Sonaya Chawla. Sonaya Chawla. Third position, best dressed baby, Sheila. Okay, let's move on to the next category, Sunniest Smile. The first position goes to Lavi Arora. Lavi Arora. Second position, Tajveer Singh Banda. Is he here? Sunniest Smile. Okay, he's here. A huge round of applause, parents, for Tajveer Singh Banda. Sunniest Smile. Ridhan Jain. Ridhan Jain, first position in most innovative look. Yes, he's here. Most innovative look. Come on, give them a huge round of applause. Most innovative look. Ridhan Jain. Yes, very good. Congratulations, ma'am. Second position goes to Divyam Bagga. Divyam Bagga. I would like to request our CEO, Mr. Rishabh Gupta, please join us on stage, and our very honorable Goyal sir to be on stage and give away the prizes. Yes, give them a huge round of applause. Third prize, Neomika Rehlan. Neomika Rehlan. Okay, she's here. Okay, very good. Come on, put your hands together. Put your hands together for Neomika Rehlan. Yes, very good. Yes, Neomika Rehlan. The most innovative look. Third position, Neomika Rehlan. Congratulations, ma'am. Now, next category is the most active baby. Any guesses? Most active baby? Viraj Dhanuka. Viraj Dhanuka is the most active baby. Is he here, Viraj? Second position goes to Jivitesh Singh. Jivitesh Singh, the most active baby. Yes. Jivitesh Singh, the most active baby. Yes. Yes, give Jivitesh a huge round of applause. Parents, yes, come on. Congratulations, ma'am. Third position in most active baby is bagged by Devanshi Garg. Devanshi Garg, very good. Most active baby, Devanshi Garg. Congratulations, ma'am. Next screen-friendly baby is Tejas Singh Sandhu. Screen-friendly baby. Yes, put your hands together for Tejas Singh Sandhu. Congratulations, ma'am. Last but not the least, most aware parent, Tejas Singh Sandhu, and mother's name is Ashmit Kaur. Ashmit Kaur. Tejas Singh Sandhu. Most aware parent. A huge round of applause to the parents of Tejas Singh Sandhu. Most aware parents. Vivan Bharti. Mother's name is Shikha Bharti. Miss Shikha Bharti. Is she here? Next is Gaurav Chabra.
Chavla. Gauhar Chavla. Mother's name is Anamika Chavla. So we have Vivan Bharti here, most aware parents. Most aware parents, Vivan Bharti. Gauhar Chavla here. Gauhar. Let's give Gauhar a huge round of applause. Most extraordinary baby goes to Shreyansh. Let's give a huge round of applause for the most extraordinary baby, Shreyansh. Yes, let's give a huge round of applause. Master Shreyansh, the most extraordinary baby. Shreyansh, yes, Shreyansh. Hello. Smile, smile please. Shreyansh is your extraordinary baby. Now we have, congratulations Shreyansh. Next we have showstopper baby, next category. First position goes to Shreyansh Dhingra. Shreyansh Dhingra. Showstopper baby. Do we have showstopper here? Shreyansh Dhingra. Okay. Shreyansh Dhingra. Okay. So showstopper. Second prize is Jivitesh Singh. Jivitesh Singh. Showstopper baby, second position goes to Jivitesh Singh. Do we have Jivitesh here? Oh my God, how many prizes is taken? Jivitesh Singh. Showstopper baby. Showstopper baby. Jivitesh Singh. Third position, Jivisha Kaur. Jivisha Kaur, showstopper baby, goes to Jivisha Kaur. Give her a huge round of applause, parents. Jivisha Kaur, showstopper baby. Congratulations, ma'am. Next category is Mom and Me category. First position goes to Ashvi Jain. Ashvi Jain. Yes, we have Ashvi here. Mom and Me contest. First position goes to Ashvi Jain. I would now like to request Rukma ma'am to join us on the stage, please. Thank you, ma'am. Ashvi Jain is on stage. Ma'am, can we have a walk? Ashvi Jain. Riyanshi Bhagat. Yes, very good. Mom and Me category. Second position goes to Riyanshi Bhagat. Riyanshi Bhagat is here? Yes. So Mom and Me, we had a grand walk. Yes. So second prize goes to Riyanshi Bhagat. Give them a huge round of applause, parents. We have Riyanshi Bhagat on stage.
मैम इधर देखिए मैम.
in Mom and Me category, Divit Jain. Let's give Divit Jain a huge round of applause. Yes. In Mom and Me category, third position
मैम इधर
goes to Divit Jain.
इधर देखिए
Yes, give Divit a huge round of applause. Congratulations, ma'am. Okay, so we have the most awaited award for Miss and Master Richmond. Dishan. Can we have Dishan here on stage? Master Richmond in Master Richmond category. Very good. He's already wearing the crown. Yes, Dishan. Come on, a huge round of applause, parents, for Master Richmond. Yes, Dishan.
मैम इधर आइए प्लीज
Give him a huge round of applause, parents.
इधर मैम इधर आइए
Dishan, Master Richmond. Yes. Then we have Gohar Chabra. Yes.
मैम इधर देखिए इधर
Miss Richmond, Gohar Chabra. Gohar Chabra is here. Gohar Chabra. Oh, she's here. Let's give the parent and the child a huge round of applause. Miss Richmond goes to Gohar Chabra. Yes, the proud parents. Gohar Chabra.
रुको बेटा
Yes. Miss Richmond.
दोबारा
Come on. Give her a huge round of applause. Gohar Chabra. Miss Richmond. Yes. So we have Gohar Chabra on stage. Give her a huge round of applause. Miss Richmond. Yes. Can we have Sharad sir on the stage?
मुस्कुराया है हर चेहरा, हर ओर खुशी ही छाई है। मेहनत से पाए फलता की नन्हे मुन्नों को दिल से बधाई।
Judges.
So I extend my heartfelt thanks to the management members, respected CEO sir, Mr. Rishabh Gupta, Administrator ma'am, Neha ma'am, Principal ma'am, T. Srivastava, Rupma Gupta ma'am, and the esteemed panel of judges for your presence in this event. It meant a lot for all of us, and we are grateful with your presence. You really cooperated in the last, and you were there for the prize distribution. It means a lot for us. So thank you so much. On this warm note, we conclude the ceremony and wish to see all of you again in another one. Right? Thank you so much. Thank you, Principal ma'am. Thank you, Goyal sir, for your presence, for the time which you have given. Thank you so much.